Hello everyone, welcome to the Switch review. Today we are going to be looking at the Bobagum sided linear switch by Gazzew and manufactured by Otemu. So these switches are priced at around 0.85 Canadian dollars or 0.65 US dollars and are available in many vendors. I just bought mine off AliExpress because I'm cheap and I don't want to pay for a lot of shipping. The one I have in hand is the clear top housing with the 68 gram spring weight. You can also get the pink top housing version with 52 or 62 gram spring. If you're planning to use this switch stock, they're gonna sound pretty scratchy and mushy like other silent linear switches, so I really recommend looping these one way or another. Let me show you how. Okay, so I'm gonna show you two ways of lubing these switches, starting off by taking a thin layer of lube on a brush and go through the rails on the side of the bottom housings. After that, go around the whirl, and then lube the leaf right here. For the stem, you will want to thinly lube all the sides of it, which includes the two rubber pads as well. The spring, you could lube them with brush as well if you hate your life, just kidding. Or just throw them all in the bag and add some lube and shake them up. After that, assemble everything and close the housings together. Now, the next method might not be for everyone, so if you're gonna spray lube, that means you're signing the agreement of being a lazy ass and knowing that it can mess up your board. I'm just kidding, I'm serious. First off, you need to shake the spray can well, then press down in one of the corners of the top housing and spray just a small amount of lube. Then repeat at the opposite corner. After that, you should use the paper wipes to wipe off the excess lube. Repeat that for all your switches and let them dry out for about 5 hours or more. Disclaimer: while I was doing this to my bubblegums, I accidentally sprayed too much and now some of my switches does not register properly. This is because we do not have the most control over where the loop will be, so I really recommend doing this at your own risk and don't test it with your main keyboard. Now let's go over the assembly. This is a keyboard I built just for fun. It's a 40% ortho linear layout keyboard which have stickers all around it. Yeah, and the PCB is secured to the board with one screw. Yep, pretty scuffed. It does have Durox stabs though. I'm gonna be putting the bubblegums on with some black XCA profile keycaps, so let's go. Whoa, okay, almost dropped it. Dummy. So I lost one of the black keycaps. So I'm just gonna use another keycap from another set. Ha. L. For all my raffles, L. Yeah, the switches actually sound good and are pretty smooth after being lubed. Nice.